Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with apps open, then engage split view immediately. You want both windows ready. On a Mac, hover the green window button and pick tile left or tile right. On iPad, long press the green button or drag an app from the dock into place. Once done, the first app snaps to one side. Make sure to select the second app to occupy the other half. This initiates the split quickly, saving time compared to manually resizing windows, and sets up equal focus for both tasks. Now refine the split so it fits your workflow. Drag the divider between apps to adjust width. You see content reflow in real time, which helps when comparing documents or using reference material. On Mac, remember Control plus Command plus F toggles full screen for the active app, and on iPad you can convert slide over into split view by dragging the handle. This gives you exact proportions. Also, switch focus by clicking or tapping in the app you need. That ensures keyboard and input go where you expect. To finish, close split view by clicking the green button on Mac OS or swiping the center divider off-screen on iPad. This returns the app to its previous size. If an app won't snap, quit and reopen it, toggle full screen, or check for pending updates. This fixes most hiccups. As a troubleshooting tip, use Mission Control or App Expose to locate hidden windows and restore proper layout. If problems persist, rebooting the device clears temporary display issues and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.